Where is the animated photo? An ordinary generated photo is turned to video. This is the video and this is the photo. This photo was created with Mental AI with just your WhatsApp. So let's dive into it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are chatting from. So let's dive into the world of animation with your WhatsApp. With just your WhatsApp, your business WhatsApp, your normal WhatsApp. So just click on your WhatsApp. Can see, click on your WhatsApp and let it load. So you look at the right hand side, you see Mental, that purple, red, and click on that Mental. That is Mental. So yeah, videos I have been creating with animated photos to video. You can see this is an ordinary photo. You can see animation is best for photos, for stories, for tales, for all sorts. So we are creating now. We are about to create a photo of a student. So let's go create a photo of a student. Coming back from school inside a bus. So just watch, this will be amazing. You'll be so surprised of. So just keep on watching. Inside a bus. So Meta will generate a photo for you. Then Meta will not automatically generate the animated ones, but just generate the ordinary photo. There you can see this is the ordinary photo. You can see. So you swipe it and type animate, then you show you the animated photos. So this is how to create it. Very simple. So you've come across this page for the first time, kindly do well to subscribe, like, share and follow for more AI tips or updates. You can see this is the animated photos. This is the animated photo. I have been using this WhatsApp to make money online, creating photos for brands and others. You can see this is a photo. This is an ordinary photo. I've turned to image, turned to animated one. This is the ordinary photo. You guys can see. So I'll be showing you how to add those photos in my next video, and how to make them to turn them to a video like this. How to make them to turn video like this. You can see this video was created by me.
Guys, this is the video
Mental AI.
I create with Mental AI.
You see the logo
you can see
at the bottom right hand side. You see Mental logo there.
You see the logo here. Mental AI. See the video I call faceless content. I was created by me with Mental AI. Just using my WhatsApp and add sound to it. So in the next video, I will teach you how to generate sound and stories from ChatGPT, how to generate trading stories from ChatGPT, and how to use Mental AI to bring them to stories, to bring it to life. So subscribe to this channel and stay tuned up for the next video.
Where are the soldiers? Jesus.
So subscribe and drop your assignment. Create a photo, generate a good photo to be reacted. If you want to be in the next video, I will teaching you how to join those photos together to make a stories like
yeah.